Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about if SoFi has FDIC insurance. SoFi, or Social Finance, is a digital financial services company. It offers a wide range of products, including banking, investing, and loans. A key question for many people is whether their money is safe with SoFi, and that's where FDIC insurance comes in. FDIC stands for Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. It's an independent U.S. government agency that protects bank depositors in the event of a bank failure. The standard FDIC insurance coverage is up to $250,000 per depositor, per insured bank, for each account ownership category. This means if your bank fails, the FDIC will step in to ensure you don't lose your insured deposits. So, does SoFi have FDIC insurance? Yes, it does. SoFi Bank, which is a nationally chartered bank, is a member of the FDIC. This means that your deposits in SoFi checking and savings accounts are protected by the standard FDIC insurance of up to $250,000 per depositor. However, SoFi also offers an option for additional coverage. Through its Insured Deposit Program, SoFi can place your deposits in a network of partner banks. This allows members to access up to $2 million in FDIC insurance. This is a significant benefit for people who have more than the standard $250,000 to deposit. It's important to note that FDIC insurance only covers deposit accounts like checking and savings. It does not cover investment products like stocks, bonds, or cryptocurrencies, which SoFi also offers. These types of investments are not protected by the FDIC. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.